put a Chevy in a Ford. Dashboard, fancy gauges, and more fancy gauges. Got this thing driving like $1,000,000. It's like the Chevy came in the Ford.
Quick Trip getting gas, and this guy pulls up and goes flip 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 here, trunk, boom, boom, we're good for gas.
Why are you putting gas in your trunk?
Race car.
Who the hell let this guy build a turbo kit? So this is the header that I had originally on the car with this chunk already on it. So I welded onto that. Came under the oil pan here. Here is the wastegate. I just kind of goured it on. This is a 44mm eBay guy. This is all 3-inch pipe that goes up to the turbo. All this is the exhaust off of the car originally. So I just kind of saved all of it to use the bends and all that to make it all work. And it had an H pipe on it. So I just took the, I pretty much just cut the H pipe in half and used it as a merge. But yeah, the turbo fits pretty good. Okay. Put some grease on your drill bit. junkyard LS motor, going 1080s, pretty effortlessly, honestly, with a 1.68 60 foot. How about we go try it out? I'm just gonna line it up like I'm gonna line up at the racetrack. And so if I'm rolling and I hit the solenoid on the brake, it stops the car. Oh my God. And then I let go and we roll forward. All right, that's easy enough. So if we hit the button, it locks. Okay, it's locked up. Oh man, oh, I'm scared. The boost literally went to 8 pounds. It went to 8 pounds of boost with like 2 seconds on the trans brake. Oh boy, oh boy.
Fuck yeah!
That felt amazing. That felt really good. That felt really good. Really good. Really good. Really good, really good, really good. That felt really good. Really good. That felt really good. That felt really good. One more time, it felt really fucking good. If it's a 999 or if it's a 10-0, it's better to be a 999. Wow. That was crazy, dude. It felt really good.
Oh yeah.
But it didn't mile an hour. Like it, dude, it's on 20 pounds or whatever, but it surges.
Really?
It's got boost issues, but yet it goes 9.9. 10 pounds out of the hole. I just let her eat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It hit the limiter in first or something, I think. And it still went 999, 15060, 640 to the 8th. That's my fastest 8th. Only one, dude, it's went 112 to the 8th before. So it's got more in it, dude, but
yeah.
999. 138. That's not even.
You mile an hour, yeah.
It's got more in it. All right, guys. Hello. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed the video that I just put out for you guys. It took me quite a while to edit it. Let me know if you guys do enjoy it though. This car is my '89 Mustang, and it's a fucking it's an animal. We actually just changed the setup on it quite a bit, and it has a larger turbo, different cam springs and all that kind of stuff, and it duplicated that last pass. Went 992 with a higher mile an hour of 143 on the third pass on the new setup. So this car is going to hopefully run 8s very soon. As soon as we can get this thing dialed in, I would love to see an 8-second pass out of it, and we're going to work our hardest to do it. But I do have a bunch of videos on my channel regarding the Mustang if you guys would like to check it out. A lot more detailed stuff. I just kind of threw bits and pieces into this video to kind of just give an overview of the car and what I've all done to it and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We actually just got back from the racetrack a couple days ago when the car did a 992 at 143. So we're dialing in the new setup, and I can't wait to show you guys more. But thank you for all the support on the YouTube channel here, guys. I really appreciate it. If you haven't checked out all my other videos, be sure to do that and subscribe to my channel. I do a bunch of stuff on the YouTube here. Hondas, Chevy LS's. I got a couple trucks that I turboed, a couple Hondas that I turboed. And yeah, we're all about horsepower here and having a great time. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.